In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Syndicate 2 Up Seat from Indian Motorcycle. These are the things that you're going to need. A ratchet, like this. I do recommend having an extension, which I'll tell you why in just a minute. You're also going to need a hex bit. This one is a 6mm, and you're also going to need a 5mm. First, you take off your seat. Mine's already off. I had to take it off to replace the battery. It's a whole different story. So in order to take the fender strut off, you're going to need the 6mm. Now this is why you're going to need the long extension. Let me show you why exactly. If you have it just like this, you're not going to be able to get at this at the right angle, because this is too fat. Oh shit, I think I messed up. It's stuck in there. Okay, so with the extension, you can get right in there, just like that. So be prepared, this is going to fall. These screws are the only two things holding up this fender strut right now. This one comes out as well. Normally you're not going to be holding a foam, I don't think, so you can just hold it with your other hand. You get the idea. So I'm going to put the phone down so I can do this properly. Okay, so now that I got it out, I'm just going to gently place it down there. You could put a towel there if you want. I'm just being really careful with it. So this is going to be loose because that was sandwiched in between the fender and the fender strut, or the frame and the fender strut, I should say. Basically do the same thing on the other side, and then you're ready to put your seat on. You want to snap that thing into place there. So take your 5mm, put them in here. So I'm not going to tighten them all the way. I'm just going to get them finger tight on every side, and then I'm going to tighten them like in a cross pattern. Off camera, I put these other ones in again with the 5mm, and your seat is attached. Now you got to put the fender strut back on. What I like to do is I like to stab this screw in first with things. Finger tight it. I'm just twisting this with my finger so I don't cross thread anything. Just want to get it on there so I can go over to the next one. Yeah, that should be good. It's not on there super tight, but it's on there. Now this is a video on how to install it, but I also wanted to review it. I've had this for about 6 months now, and I definitely do not have any regrets. For this, I've been so far with it is from San Diego to Las Vegas, which is about 350 miles. Did that in a day, and I honestly did not think of the seat at once being uncomfortable. By the time you need gas, you're going to basically stand up and rest your butt anyway, so I think it's perfect. No complaints on the seat yet. It looks pretty dope. It's less expensive than some of the alternatives. I do highly recommend it. That's going to be it for this one, you guys. I'm Ricky Bobber. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Later.